gifters them buy your car and you're working money. Well, thank you to the gifters for providing the vehicle. And then me tell you again, say it is still ambitious. Me still have a lot of ambition because a lot of people get money and they don't spend it on good things. They spend it by party. Well, if a party, then go buy clothes, buy shoes, buy expensive jewelry. People we have the money where people are pay for car, them take it by watch and chain and something. So me take my money buy a little car with me and ice because I don't know if you don't know. I don't know if you don't know. If you live in Jamaica, you can easily take taxi because it's not that expensive. But if you live in the state of Georgia, baby, if you even want Integra, you have to have one Integra, I tell you. You have to have even Integra because in Georgia, you see when you go places at this distance we go to places them it's very far. And Uber, I don't really come talk more while, but if you're a sensation, you might know more. Like when I go places, I be 50 for carry ice go to school, a $70 for go. Not go and come in on $70 for go. And by the time if you come back and add it on the app, I look for $100. Sometimes I run go to one local place, I can show you my Uber transaction them. $50, $60 just for go. Don't even think about for come back, plus I have to buy things. So I appreciate so I have one local vehicle now where I can purchase some things. So big up everybody who support me. Yeah, hopefully we can get my papers them and then we can get the house for the inside. I'm gonna give you guys a tour of the beast. Come, I have to go feed ice, and then when we feed ice, we're head straight downstairs. I'm gonna tour you guys. Inside is very nice. It have a brown. Come. Inside has a brown. I'm gonna show you everything. I mean, I know nothing about the car, so maybe. Guys, in the top of the car, it have one something where I can put my glass, you know. It buzzy. Mommy too cute, how are you? Big up everybody. But me have to put my sensation them at top. Big up my sensation them. And big up everyone else. Because you have some people that they don't consider themselves a sensation, but they will support Ivany. And how far me I come from. So, because I see some people that say, why the hype for care? Oh God, man, if you know my story, you're going to have to see the glory. Yeah, man, if you don't know my story, you see how life changed around for me. Never in a life think I could have won one care. So me happy. Me happy. And I don't want hype happy this or not hype on nobody or boss, but it's a humble happy. Yeah. God, I did lie to you, because I tell them to say, when you see me buy a car, which part? Because two people them do that eat. Me did switch around my mouth. But who no, say me did really go. Me bomba class. Guys, I start smelling pampas now, you know. Do you know that? Okay. Make love tell you now. Yesterday me in the place to buy the car. And a big attitude. You see? Listen him tone, you see? And when me eat nothing, I'm take it from him scream and dash it away.
Yeah, go in and make me see piece of it. Me proud of you, my friend. What you mean? What you mean? Sick, I know the boy there go with him in style, yeah. You want to drive out the Benz, you know? Boy, you know drive out the Benz.
Hold on, let me take out the key.
Enough chat. I'm not fucker then chat, boy, you know, bumble. Then chat, no fucker, boy. Now this me like. Cause them sitting on my like. See, my friend can't ever pull it. My friend can't ever pull a Benz, but my friend have Benz. Pussy clap, make we see it. Turn the camera in there now. Every day I see you. Yeah, me like it. Vany, me proud of you. Vany, me proud of you. Me love it.
Right here,
me love see how you have it.
It have.
Yes.
Put on.
I love it and me love see how you have it.
I have one brown something here, so.
My friend don't know nothing about it, you know, but she know one brown sitting there, so.
Oh, you thought
Sunroof
then in here, sir. In here, sir, put. Oh, me. Wait. Me and my next phone line. My drop
Don't
ice.
ask
Watch
me
it.
nothing, you know. Don't ask me nothing. Me no know. Boy, ice a crawl all over I Benz, you know. Watch him.
My drop.
I press up button in
Put my
I
glass
Benz.
in the sun.
Yeah,
And
that
then the
is.
sunroof. Me no. Bumbo. Boy, good. Good.
Brother, you
The
fuck.
sun. Can't open me sunroof over the sun. But and then run I back now, you know, I having car seat round the sun. What day you them a see it smoke by yourself? See car seat.
Yeah.
Oh,
Brother,
me
you
put up
funny.
the location now.
Boy, me none. You can't ask me nothing. Watch him. Yo, man, him papa, if you look sitting them and fight, you know.
Stop.
Oh boy,
Sit
you
down.
want papa if you sit them and fight Benz already.
Make us strap you down.
Happy nice.
Put on your seat then. Sit down
Oh
and
boy,
strap
happy
down in your
nice.
seat belt.
Van, me nothing in front of you carry him doing, you know.
Me not go nowhere.
Oh, you not get car seat yet.
See car seat round there.
Oh, that I code that, man. I code that. That I code. Van, me
But
proud that. Fuck.
Gage, you need to show me how to turn on.
Vani.
Me no
Me
know
then
no
just
what you
yes.
say now.
Me no know neither. Me no know neither. Tell her the ice. Me not sure right. You get read the book we come with it.
Alright, me
Or
go make somebody come up in our box and show me.
go on YouTube. No, for real, go on YouTube and type in the type of Benz. Then we tell you everything.
Alright, me so come.
Alright, sis, pick up yourself. Proud of you.
Alright,
Look
big
come
up.
on.
Stop! Stop it. I go up on YouTube, guys.